Meaning of hydr, O.
Hydr, O.
Hydr, O.
hydr, O.
hydr, O. The prefix hydr, O, dash comes from the Greek word for water, hydor. It is commonly used in scientific terminology to denote a relationship to water or the presence of water in a particular substance or process. For example, terms like hydrogen and hydrophobic are derived from this prefix. In chemistry, hydrolysis is a process that breaks down compounds using water, while hydrophobic substances repel water. Overall, the prefix hydr, O, dash is a useful tool in understanding the properties and behaviors of substances in relation to water.